Welcome to the new era of UV inkjet, the era in which you will write history by printing the future. HanGlobal LabStar330 apply the latest UV inkjet technology in labels and offer different solutions to suit different needs of label market. Basic LabStar330 consisting of unwind unit with 800 mm in diameter, corona treater, webguide, web cleaner, tension control, printing section with CMYK and optional wide, future upgradable from 600 dpi to 1200 dpi. UV curing system with driven chill roller for heat-sensitive substrates like foams. Rewind unit with 800 mm in diameter. Operation platform. LabStar330 can be upgradable on-site from full 600 dpi to partial or full 1200 dpi white plus CMYK. High flexibility and resolution. One Kyocera printhead is 600 dpi. Our print units are seamlessly stitched with 3 printheads in line to get printable width at 320 mm. With our innovative design, we combine 2 600 dpi printheads to achieve 1200 dpi for optimal and refined printing quality. Variable web width 230 and 330. For the new LabStar330, the customer can order a 220 mm with machine with 10 printheads for white plus CMYK, which can be future upgraded to 330 mm with 15 to 30 printheads. Just order more printheads from us and we will come to your site and finish upgrading within a few hours. This flexibility enables customers to invest less and also expand business by simple upgrades. Latest Kyocera printheads help ensure stability. Conventional printheads have difficulties in controlling the stability of each ink drop. With our new printhead technology, we introduce inactive pulls between active pulls to avoid deformation of the chamber. Each ink drop is carefully optimized with multi-drop size technology. Small drops for fine details, medium drops for details in the mid-tone, larger drops for solid fill areas. Automated maintenance. Automated maintenance procedure is essential to optimize the printhead performance and extend the life of the printhead. This simple maintenance process can be done within 2 minutes, ensuring the optimum printing quality and productivity. User-friendly and control panel system. Our simple and user-friendly operating system helps monitor the printhead pressure and ink temperature in real time. Calculate ink consumption costs and typeset your labels automatically and ensures you high efficiency in color and order management, as well as variable data handling and database management. Printing for operators is just a click away. Benefits for customers. High ROI. Print on demand and in time provide savings on inventory and total cost. High speed. Meet the requirements of industrial and customized production with 1200 by 1200 dpi at 50 meters per minute. Variable data. Variable data printing helps meet the need of mass customization and market competition. Variety of substrates. Great choices of substrates enable customers to make more profits from different orders. No plate. No plate making. Virtually no waste. No waste of consumables and time. Stable color. Each color is carefully controlled by our software and hardware to ensure the consistency of each print, anytime, every time. Seamless order change. No downtime at all from one job to another. Our worldwide local service teams are located in China, USA, and Switzerland to ensure the best of after-sales services for customers across the globe. With our plentiful experience and expertise in digital printing industry, LabStar330 can offer you endless options and possibilities. Our continuous technology development will help you bring up higher productivity, higher quality, lower cost, and more customization to suit your needs. Changing the future isn't just technology. It needs people to embrace that technology and willingly break tradition to write history and print the future.